Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and essential tutorial. How to find your SIM card number on your iPhone in 2025. Whether you're switching carriers, troubleshooting network issues, or just curious about your device's details, this is a straightforward process that takes less than a minute. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your iPhone is unlocked and ready to go. Open the Settings app. It's the one with the gray gear icon on your home screen. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see General and give it a tap. This section holds a bunch of important info about your device. Now, in the General menu, look for and tap on About. This is where all the nitty-gritty details are listed, like your iPhone's model, serial number, and yes, your SIM card info. Scroll through the list until you spot ICCID, or Integrated Circuit Card Identifier. That's your SIM card number. It might be a long string of numbers and letters, so jot it down if you need it. If you can't find it there, don't worry, there's an alternative method. Open the phone app, which is usually on your home screen, and dial *#06#. This command typically brings up your IMEI, but in some cases, it can show SIM details too. For a more hands-on approach, grab a SIM eject tool or a paperclip, insert it into the small hole on the side of your iPhone to pop out the SIM tray, and check the number printed directly on the SIM card. Keep in mind that iOS updates in 2025 might tweak these steps slightly, but these methods should work on most recent models like the iPhone 16 or later. And there you have it. Your SIM card number is now at your fingertips. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.